So when using the LA180l, firstly, we start off aligning that over our crosshair, and we've got a laser pointed directly down from the laser itself. That dot, get that nice and square. So turn your receiver on, yep, and then you hit your target, and then it'll auto align. So you hold that, it flashes. Like that. And then up the other end, it should be now aligning. So here, this is now spinning and scanning through its 5-degree axis, and then scrolls back the other way until it locks on, and that'll give us a perfect line through there, and also spit 90 up through there, so we know that the job's been set out perfectly square to start with. Happening now. It's just finishing sorting itself out. Just basically aligned perfectly, then you can move the receiver from wherever you want, and it's perfect. The other things that I didn't include earlier, just turn this off, is when we are tracking this on our line as our locator, we're making sure the V here is directly in line with our point, which we are checking on the receiver. Also on the receiver, once it's turned on, once it's scanning through, when you hold it, it'll turn on, it'll flash 5 times, which is the process when the laser is recognizing it. Once it's found it and locked on, the target will turn off firstly. Then you're free to move the receiver. So checking further point, coming back. On the money. And then to see that the job's square and set out square, we can come back up to here. Yep, so we satisfied the job square.